The new era of Samsung is official. Today, we finally know why Galaxy S24 series will be Samsung's most important flagships of all time. After long research and development, Samsung has officially announced what could be the biggest selling feature of the Galaxy S24 series. Introducing Samsung Gals, this is Samsung's own self-developed generative AI model. It is a lot powerful than I initially expected. Thanks to Samsung Gals, your Galaxy S24 will become your AI chat friend, solving all of your issues and problems. With the full worldwide knowledge of pretty much everything you can think of, Samsung Gals also make the S24 a coding beast, as it's also a code model, and perhaps my favorite one is the image model. Samsung Gals will let you generate or edit images by the help of powerful AI. So to sum it up, it's a language model, code model, as well as an image model, making it perhaps the most powerful AI tool on a smartphone. And it's going to be implemented on the Galaxy S24 series. Yes, on all models, and in case you're wondering why it's called as Gauss, well, the AI model has been named after Carl Friedrich Gauss, who was a genius mathematician. They could have gone with something easier to pronounce, but considering the amount of abilities this AI model has, I can definitely understand why they went with this name. Now this AI model will be using all the AI capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400. Both of these two chips have an incredibly powerful NPU. As much as I'm excited about the hardware changes, this has to be one of the most exciting features of the entire S24 lineup, making the 2024 flagship super duper exciting. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now, in case you missed the previous video, it is heavily rumored that Samsung will officially announce the S24 series on January 7th in US. Multiple sources from South Korean media has reported this date, so this might just be when Samsung officially unveils their next big thing. So if you're someone who's using the S22 Ultra or S21 Ultra and you're looking forward to the S24 lineup, well, you may not have to wait that long. Now at the Unpacked event, there might be some other exciting products as well, perhaps a newer version of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Again, we haven't heard anything in the leaks yet, so be sure to subscribe for all the update info. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think about the future era. AI is about to become a very, very close part of our lives. Samsung Gals is coming with the S24 series. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.